Hey guys, it's Natural D and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing a twist out in this video. I am starting off on freshly washed hair and I've already applied my leave-in. For my products, I will be using the Cantu for Kids Coconut Curling Cream. Yeah, I know it's for kids, but I got this for my daughter and I decided to try it out on my hair and I liked it. So yeah. And I will be pairing this cream with none other than the Extreme Wet Line Gel. Now, before I decided to apply the products to my hair, I did the little flake test on the back of my hand, and to me it looked like it would be okay. So I went ahead and used the products together. However, I did get a little bit of flaking. It wasn't bad flaking, but I did receive some flaking. So yeah. If you ever want to try these products together, even though the cream was for kids, but still, just know that you will receive some some flaking depending on the amount of product that you use and the technique or whatever the style is you're going to be doing. So yeah. Now I'm going to just start off twisting my hair. I like to make sure that as I'm twisting, I add more product and I comb through it just to make sure that my hair is fully detangled and that the product is going into my hair very smoothly to, just to maintain the moisture in my hair and to make sure that my ends are sealed and just to make sure that the product, just to make sure that the twist is going to come out the way I want it to, because if you're not making sure that the product is worked all the way into your hair and your hair is fully detangled, then your twists are not going to come out how you want them to. They're going to be frizzy and it's just going to be harder for you to twist your hair if your hair is not detangled, period. So, and I feel like I'm doing a lot of talking, so yeah, I'm just going to twist up my hair and yeah. I like to make sure that I apply enough product at the ends of my hair because, as you guys know, the ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair, so they need a little extra TLC. And plus I need a trim so badly. Yeah, so I like to just add enough product to the ends of my hair so they don't dry out too fast and they retain moisture, and not just retain moisture, but also look moisturized. Like, my hair can sometimes be so soft, and by the touch of it, it can feel moisturized, but when you look at it, sometimes it could look dry, and I hate that. So yeah, I'm going to continue to just two strand the rest of my hair, and I decided to flat twist the front of my hair. As you guys know, the front of my hair did have heat damage, so I am transitioning it, and I decided to flat twist it and add perm rods at the end to make sure that I get the same curl definition as the rest of my hair. this was like my second time trying or doing flat twist, and I think they came out pretty good. I do want to try doing flat twist in my whole head and seeing how it comes out. So if you guys would like to see a video on that, just leave a comment down below and let me know. So yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and then I will show you guys how it looks. I finished the rest of my hair off camera, and I ended up keeping these twists in my hair for about 3 or 4 days, I believe. And this is how my hair is looking. My edges look crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and just take out the perm rods first. And then I'm going to put some oil on my hands to just, you know, like I said, just to make sure that I don't get any, not any frizz, because I did get some frizz, but I wanted to just make sure that I eliminated the amount of frizz that I got. And then I'm going to start by unraveling all of my 2-strand twists, and then I will work my way up to doing, yeah, as you can see, I didn't like the way that was looking. It was looking crazy. But yeah, I'm going to unravel all of my 2-strand twists and then work my way up to my flat twists. Yeah, so after I took this perm rod out right here, I did not like the way this end looked. It was like, I don't know what it was, but after I put some oil onto my twist, they came out just fine, so it was whatever. And as you guys can see, I did have some flakes, but it wasn't a lot, and like I said, my hair still came out fine. So but I went ahead and just separated the rest of my hair off camera, and I'm just taking out my flat twist. The good thing about flat twist is that you don't have to do a whole bunch of separating to get you know, them how you want them to look. So that's why I am thinking about doing a whole flat twist video, because I'm pretty sure my results will be bomb.com. But yeah, after I'm done taking out this twist, I'm going to just go ahead and fluff and pick my hair out with my wide tooth comb, just to get my hair how I want it to look, and just to get the volume that I am looking for. I am thinking about going to the salon and getting my hair professionally shaped, because I don't have a shape to my hair, and I don't like it, because every time I do a style, I always have to pick my hair out so much because I want it to be shaped a certain way. So I will be going to the salon soon, and if you guys want me to vlog and record my experience at the salon, leave a comment down below and let me know, and I will do it. So I'm going to continue to just fluff my hair out, and I forgot to record after, like, you know, I styled my hair and did my edges and everything, so I will insert a picture at the end. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure also to subscribe if you aren't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.